Pitbull's barbecue. Tomorrow, September 15th, is Phillybugerbrawl. We're not in it, of course, but if we were, this would be our entry. We're doing Philly fill 'em up burgers. These things are gonna be awesome, guys. Chickies and Pete's crab fries in the burger with the cheese, everything. Might put some jalapenos on them, see how it goes, but we're gonna smoke them on Pitboss 820 Pro with new charcoal pellets. Took a while to find them, but we found them and we got them.
Looks amazing, guys. Get you a nice close-up. 3 Walmarts later, shout out to Pitboss.
Making moves. And we're gonna cook them on a cast iron pan. We're about to throw the burgers on the cast iron. First, we have to butter it though.
Catch and shoot, and it's good! They rule it a 2, and we're going to overtime.
And then we're gonna throw the burgers right on there.
Shout out to Sasquatch Barbecue. Butter Kobe. We're still working on E's nickname.
Get the butter in there.
Chris here and we're doing our fill 'em up burgers. We're gonna get real Philly with it. Let's pull these burgers off. We got them rocking in the cast iron, firebox open. Make sure you got a good glove. You're not gonna burn the fuck out of your hand. Pull them out. Bang. Close her up. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna take our Chickies and Pete's crab fries, a staple here in Philly. Got a signature cheese, guys. So we're gonna take some of these fries and we're gonna put them in the burger. That guy's a goner. That guy's a goner. Fill them up. Not too crazy. And you're gonna take that signature cheese, get you a butter knife, lather it in there. Have no fear, more cheese is here. Open another one, fill her out. Just a little, guys. Then, take good old Muenster cheese and top her off. Blow. You can double up the Muenster if you're really a hardcore gangster. We're gonna go 1 slice. There's enough cheese in that bad boy. And that's how you fill her up. Take your handy dandy glove so you don't burn yourself yet again. And put them bad boys back on. Let the Pitboss go to work. Or whatever you're rocking with. Greatness incoming. All right, guys, now we're done. We're ready to fill ourselves up. So let's go over here, get your handy dandy brioches, and lay them out, because greatness is about to come out of the smoker. If you want to put anything on them, do the damn thing. We're gonna top ours with jalapenos, because we're real men. So let's go over here, open her up, and that's just, no words need to be said. Gonna grab my glove. Safety first, guys. Do not grab that without something like this. Grab it out. Bang. Spatula. Which one you want first, D? That guy?
That one toward the back. Look at that.
Let her drip a little. No drip. Look at that, guys. And that's going right on your brioche. Perfect fit. And then number 2. The flies know what's up, guys. They're getting excited. Get you some jalapenos. Let's make it smile. another smile. And there you go, guys. That is a filler up burger. Now, time for the cut. All right, guys. Now you're gonna take a nice sharp knife. You're gonna take your burger, and you're gonna get ready for this slice. Make sure it's a nice and sharp knife, and watch your fingers. Best damn barbecue ever.